Alright guys, so what I have here today is something really cool. It's a Ruger 1022. The Ruger 1022 is a semi-automatic 22 caliber rifle that comes with a standard 10-shot magazine. Now I bought this at Cabela's. It's usually about $369.99 here in Canada, but it was on sale for $2.99, so that's when I bought it. Now I bought this because it's super reliable, the ammo is really cheap, it's really small and compact and lightweight, and it's going to be my main small game hunting weapon. So the overall length of the gun is 37 inches, the barrel length is 18.5 inches, and the weight of the gun is only 5 pounds, so it's going to be good for all size shooters. Okay, now really quickly, this is how you take out the magazine. All you have to do is just push this forward and the magazine falls out. You load your 10 bullets in here. Safety's right over here. And let's take a quick look at the sights. See if I can show them to you. Yeah. Alright, now next up is a really quick shooting range video, so take a look. Good job, sir. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.